Hello everyone, we're Lance Fantasy Gaming. We're doing July 2024 STL Patreon. For it, part one. Hope you guys are going to have a good 4th of July this coming week for it. We'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, figures, and so on for your 3D print needs. The ones that we're looking at will be in the description down below for your links. And also, please subscribe, like, and share. Check our Patreon Discord down below, and let's get started. So we first be starting with Heroes Infinite by Raging Heroes. And this will be this month's as well. Let me go a little bit back. So Skaven Tide's coming out, and you can use proxy for these. And the Old World with the Tomb King as well. So a lot of cool stuff that's coming out. I already pre-ordered my Skaven Tide as well. I'll be picking it up in 2 weeks and building it for the channel. So let's get started. So we got some lovely female rat folks. And we got some Tomb Kings pieces as well. But, right now is I am going to have to print some Skaven Tide stuff for my D&D campaign. But you can do whatever you want with your proxies. I think it's be a lot cheaper in the long run as well. They took a lot of the old version models and revamped it. I think these models look a hell of a lot better what Games Workshop is actually releasing, tell you the truth. But all of this for like $10. It's a pretty good deal in my opinion. There's your demon, your rat lord right there as well. I think the rat lord costs about $100, and brand new in the box, but you can get it for printed for like $10. It's actually a pretty good deal as well. You have your rat ogres as well. I can't wait to paint it. I'll tell you the truth. I might have to get some neon green and yellow paint. Just letting you know, like not from Games Workshop technical paint, but I mean like really, really glowing paint, in my opinion. But you got your rat clans, you got your skeleton archers. But this is good. This one they actually redid a lot, so that's actually pretty cool looking. We got the chariots for it. It looks pretty damn cool in my opinion. Another rat lord. Same as big too. So I don't know how big an actual rat lord is in the an actual Age of Sigmar version of it. I know there are Skavens for the old world as well, but I don't think they're ever going to release any of the other newer old worlds. So I really don't know for a fact. You get some terrain pieces for it, and but yeah, I'm also gonna probably get another FDM printer because one I have doesn't print as fast, and I would like to print something faster. I'll buy a second resin printer, so I really don't know. But anyhow, yeah, that is done. We go to the next one. Archvillain Games. They have the sci-fi and fantasy for D&D and Warhammer proxies as well. This is a June post-release. Looks like we have a Hellion, I believe that's what it's called. And then we have the Undying Academy. So yeah, we got the, I think, a Draco Lich, in my opinion. Actually pretty cool looking. And Valkor. That's actually pretty cool for Space Marines. For it. Proxies for these as well. Oh, that looks like the style of what Vecna looks like, but that's fine. You got some Undying Academy. A lot of this you probably gonna do for Age of Sigmar for the Night Haunts for it. For what you call it, proxying and everything for it. But I think that'd be pretty cool. But yeah, man. Man, I gotta print more shit. I gotta freaking also clean up my closet. I just finally got a label maker. Oh, now she has some biggies. I like that one too. Yeah, these are pretty good ones. I would say Archville did pretty well. This is something that I probably can do, like an Undead Academy, or for the necromancies, or it's like academy that got run over by the dead, just taking over by arcane knowledge and be corrupted by it as well. So this is actually pretty cool looking. And it looks like we got a Juggernaut. Probably for a White Wolf will be pretty good for a proxy for these. What this one would be. It looks like more of a chaos like, but I don't know. But chainmails and everything. More soldiers for your proxy, I guess, for Warhammer. I think that's going to be more towards chaos, in my opinion. All right, cast and play. We got the new sets for June. That's for June, isn't it? So we don't have anything new for Arcane. Um, July hasn't came out yet, so I'm gonna leave that for next time. We'll take a look at that. Let's see, June. One for July hasn't came out yet. My Mini Monster Mayhem, July preview. So we're getting a lot of stuff. Looks like some stuff from Spelljammer. I think this is the Druidic Forest thing again that we're having like last time. So we have like a wood chip. Wow, we got some Hydras with wings. I already have that one. That thing already you already have. I think they're adding all of it together. We got the turtle tree as well. That looks like a giant bullet. To tell you the truth. We got some vine hydras. We got some rhinos. I know I have some of those because I painted a lot of the old ones. So I know that I'm kind of going to reprint a lot of some of these or repaint the ones that I do have. Because I probably need a lot of dry brushing because I paint these tree creatures like so many years ago, and we got a lot more vibrant paint for a lot of stuff. So yeah, so nature animus. So we're having some of the old ones, a lot of the new ones with it as well for this. I can't wait. Yeah, I remember painting some of this. This one is new. This one is new right there with the armors. Printed Obsession. For this, let me see if anything that's coming out for July for it. I don't see anything for July. Probably won't be coming because I actually doing this on the 30th of this month. Highland Miniature July preview. So we got some Two King stuff. As well, the Giants, Spearmen, Swordsmen, Catapults. I need more catapults. We got some leaders, Scarabs. Oh, we need scarabs, especially for my campaign, for my Tomb King. I do need scarabs. I need a lot of freaking scarabs for it. Let me see if we can look at some giant ones. I got some better looking giant ones from the other ones, but varieties won't hurt as well. Beastarium miniatures. I don't think July has came. Oh, July previews has came for it. So these some Vampire Ravager. If you're into like Elden Ring and Dark Souls type of campaign, this is probably it for you. So you got Vampire Ravager, Crimson Mortar Knights, Mausoleum and Crypt. Uh, let's see here, Blooded Concert, Alablex Vampire Old, and we got the Dark Forest. Huntsman Mound, the Butcher. I do like this Butcher. Severed Body, Severed Head. I do want to print that. Accursed Villagers and Terrifiers. Terrifiliers. And you got your heroes, I think that's what they're called. The Blood. No, not only the heroes. The Penitents, the bosses, I think. But yeah, that's Beastarium. It's pretty good. Alright, Twin Goddess Miniature. Let's see here. June notes. We don't want June. We want July. So this is some of the stuff that's coming out for July for miniatures. Ooh, Elfie with biggings. Big old biddies. You got another elf. Looks like blood elves to me. And we have a female barbarian. It looks like a lycanthrope goblin. I'm guessing. I don't know. And we got Epic. This will be the last one for part one. So we got a lot of stuff. We got looks like some kind of circus, vampire elementals. I don't know what the hell that is, but we may have a closer look for it. See here. Let's see what we got. July Beastmen. You got some gnolls, some fiendish. I think these are fiendish gnolls from one of the gnome demon lord. This one's a jackalware female. You got some saber-tooth beast. That'd be pretty cool to have. Orc lady adventurer. We got some wag beast. They make a lot of stuff that's especially in the beast area, like a lot of other stuff as well. Beastmaster. It looks like Sabretooth just from the X Men. Cook horror classic. A couple of those. Werewolf female. Some naughty bits. Werewolf armored female. And we got hunting reptiles. So it's a reptile that has a plant to, to be stealthy. That's funny. Skull bear. Some type of null tribes. No, I never seen gnolls that actually organized type of species. They're more chaotic. Salvage escape. Savage escape. And we got the wasp hive golem. That is pretty effed up if you want to go against that. I might be the one that prints it. Oh, then they're like gonna go against it. And you got your wasp swarm with it as well. I'm gonna print that, put that in my game just to f my with my party. Beast, watch, and tame wolf. Looks like we have a building. Looks like a chapel, cathedral of light. We got the white god avatar. Hierophant. Oh, yes, from Boulder's Gate, the little celestial elephant. That'd be kind of cool to have, too. Oh, we got some Asimar stuff. Planetary Angel. Hopefully they bring these freaking celestials back on the monster menu for the new edition. Medieval Cleric Monk. Draconic Demon Gold. There's your Fallen Bishop. Got the Holy Serpent. Monster Hunter Van Helsing. He has a possessed nun. Ugh. Astral Diva. Planetary Female Angel. I should look at some of the epic stuff and paint some of them. Inquisitor Knights. I have a lot of stuff to paint when I'm done building the domain thing stuff as well. White Priest. White Dragon Wormling. True Angel. But yeah, that'll be it for Epic. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord. I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.